Hello everyone. In this video, you will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is how to apply filter to the date. So we will have this particular input output tab and preparation tab. So we have to input the data first. Drag this input data tab and drop it in the canvas, new workflow 12. Connect to a database, connect to a file. So click on the file, select file. So it will redirect us to the path which I have chosen, to sample data Excel folder. From this, I will select this file named as sales 2017. Okay. So there are basically two sheets in this particular Excel file. One is named as sheet 1 and another one is 50 records order. So I will select 50 records order, click on OK. Now the file which I have chosen, I will show you that particular file. So this is the file. There are only 50 records, and this particular order date we have to apply the filter. So this is the file. Now go to preparation tab, drag this filter tool and drop it in the workflow canvas. Now you can observe in the configuration pane, so basic filter and custom filter is being displayed over here. We have to select the criteria for which we have to apply the filter. So the option is order date, we have to select it. So for that purpose, this equal to, less than or equal to, so this option will be displayed. For the text or string data type, for example this order area, if I have selected, so the options displayed will be different. So we have to consider this order date for which we have to apply the filter. Now over here I will select less than or equal to. I will keep as it is fixed. Now the order date which is less than or equal to, so we have to click on the calendar. From that we have to select the date. Say 2015 May. Yeah. So the dates which is below 1 May 2015 is going to be displayed in the result workflow over here. So the order date which is below 1 May 2015 is going to be displayed in the result workflow. So the order date which is less than or equal to 1 May 2015 is going to be displayed. Click on run. So you can see over here 20 records which has been displayed over here is having the dates below 1 May 2015. So 2014, so 20 records are being displayed. So this Excel sheet which we have taken as an input file consisting of 50 records. So only 20 records is being displayed. 2014, 2014, 2013, then 14, and the 2015 date is nothing but of January, 16 January 2015. So likewise the dates which is below 1 May 2015 or order date which is less than or equal to 1 May 2015 is going to be displayed in the result workflow. So I hope you have understood this particular video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.